NASA won't say it out loud. The universe we see may not be real. We have always believed that we live inside a real and stable universe. Stars rotate above us. Time flows forward. Space stretches silently in all directions. Everything feels solid, obvious, undeniable. But what if I told you that all of this might only be an interface? A projection. A simplified layer designed not to reveal reality, but to help humans survive? What if the universe we saw was never the universe as it truly is? We trust our eyes. We trust space. We trust time. We trust that we are standing inside an objective world. Yet the deeper science digs, the more unsettling the picture becomes. The universe begins to look less like something real, and more like something rendered. Albert Einstein was the first to crack the illusion. He showed us that time is not absolute, space is not a stage, and gravity is not an invisible rope, but the bending of spacetime itself. That moment shattered humanity's intuitive sense of reality. Still, we comforted ourselves with a belief. As long as we understood four-dimensional spacetime, 3 dimensions of space plus 1 of time, we could eventually explain everything. Then a new problem appeared. The universe is expanding. And not just expanding, accelerating. Even more disturbing. No known form of matter or energy can explain why. So humanity invented a word, dark energy. A name that sounds like an answer, but explains absolutely nothing. What is dark energy? No one knows. Where does it come from? No one knows. Why does it make up more than 70% of the universe? Still unknown. This doesn't feel like science anymore. It feels like a placeholder. And so some physicists began asking a far more dangerous question. What if the force driving cosmic expansion isn't inside the universe at all? What if our universe is not a complete object, but a thin membrane embedded inside a higher dimensional space? If you've heard of string theory, you know it predicts more than 4 dimensions. 5, 10, or even more. In some of these models, our universe, 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time, is like a floating sheet inside a higher dimensional reality. The universe isn't expanding on its own. The membrane is being stretched from outside. Imagine a rubber sheet suspended in a larger space. From the surface, nothing appears to be pulling it. Yet every point on the sheet moves farther apart. That is exactly how cosmic expansion would look from the inside. If this is true, then dark energy isn't a mysterious force born within the universe. It is pressure from the 5th dimension acting on us. And that leads to a terrifying implication. Everything we think we know about the laws of the universe, there may be nothing more than side effects of higher dimensional physics. Push this idea further. If our universe is a membrane, there is no reason it must be the only one. Countless other universe membranes could exist in the same higher dimensional space. Separate, unreachable, but real. This is one version of the multiverse. Another, even more radical, comes from eternal inflation. In this theory, the Big Bang was not a single event in the past. It is still happening. In some regions, expansion slowed and formed universes like ours. In others, expansion never stopped, constantly generating new cosmic bubbles, which means beyond our observable universe, there may be an infinite number of other universes, each with different physical laws, different constants, different structures of time and space. Our universe is not special. It is simply one that allows us to exist. For human ego, this is devastating. But the truly disturbing part comes next. While physicists were struggling with dimensions and multiverses, another group of scientists asked an even deeper question. What if the problem isn't how many dimensions exist, but that everything we perceive is fake? Cognitive scientist Donald Hoffman proposed a theory that unsettles almost everyone who hears it. He argues that our sensory systems did not evolve to show us reality. They evolved to keep us alive. Truth is irrelevant to evolution. Survival is everything. Colors, shapes, distance, time, none of these are the world as it truly is. They are icons, like files on a computer desktop. You see a folder, but inside the hard drive, it is nothing but incomprehensible data structures. The icon is not there to reveal truth. It exists to let you function. Hoffman used mathematical models and evolutionary simulations to prove something shocking. Organisms that perceive reality accurately go extinct. Those that simplify reality for survival thrive. This means our eyes, brains, and logic are not windows to truth. They are survival interfaces. Space and time themselves may not be fundamental. They may be part of the interface. If this is correct, then not only stars are fake. Causality, logic, even the matter itself, the symbols may be rendered by the interface. So where is the real world? Hoffman offers an even bolder hypothesis. Reality may be composed of interacting conscious agents, not matter producing consciousness, but consciousness producing reality. In this model, the universe is not a cold machine. It is a vast, dynamic network of interacting awareness. Each conscious entity is a node. The world we experience is the projection of their interactions onto our interface. Now combine this with higher dimensions and the multiverse. A chilling picture emerges. The universe may not be physical at its core at all. It may be consciousness unfolding itself, and we are not beings inside the universe. The universe is experiencing itself through us. You think you are gazing at the stars, but perhaps at a deeper level, the universe is looking back at itself through your eyes. You think your thoughts are private, but they may be ripples in a much larger ocean of awareness. Loneliness, fear, love, hope. These may not be meaningless chemical noises. They may be experiments, possibilities being tested. From the Big Bang onward, the universe did not move towards chaos. It moved towards complexity. Particles became atoms. Atoms became stars. Stars formed planets. Planets produced life. Life developed consciousness. This does not look random. It looks directional. Perhaps consciousness is not an accident. Perhaps it is the goal. If that is true, then you are not insignificant cosmic dust. You are an experience the universe is having. Your doubts, your thoughts, your questions, they are part of this unfolding process. Meaning was never something handed down from outside. Existence itself is meaning. If the universe truly has consciousness, it is not watching us from afar. It is us, and when you realize this, what truly collapses is not the universe, but your idea of who you are.